As the world moves away from the pandemic, we are all coming to a sobering realization. Our freedom should not be taken for granted. The Entrepreneur Myth is a hands-on course with applied real-world insights designed by industry experts and practitioners to help new business ventures develop and thrive. We will first analyze your options as an individual, learning how to expand your residencies and passport portfolio, grow an offshore bank account network, diversify your passive income investments, and legally reduce your taxes overseas. We will afterward dive into your business, learning how to create new products and services, structure your legal contracts and operations, engage with key talent and partners, effectively go to market, and monitor your projects from anywhere in the world. Your personal and financial freedom is in your hands. Start your business today and become a free citizen of the world.